Alright, these earbuds cost less than $80, but it actually makes my desk setup feel more complete. I've been switching between my PC and my phone, editing, gaming, taking calls, no disconnections. The SoundPEATS Air5 Pro have handled it all. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are into tech that fits your workflow and setup, this one's for you. Today I'm reviewing the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro. They're just under $80 but packs features that you normally just see on higher price earbuds. We're talking high-res audio, multi-point connection, active noise cancelling, and even an app full of control mapping. So let's break it down. Let's talk comfort. Each earbud actually just weighs about 4.8 grams, super light, ergonomic, and designed to sit comfortably in your ear, especially during those long editing and gaming sessions. They've also got this unique triangular vent. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. It adds a little design flair and it helps with the airflow too. The dual device connection is what makes this a real setup companion. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.4, I can stay connected to both my PC and my phone, and they switch automatically. If I'm editing and I get a call, the Air5 Pro handles a swap effortlessly without me even lifting a finger. Super fast, super stable, and lower power drains too. These come with 10mm dynamic driver that uses PU and PIC materials. That just means you're getting rich mids, clear highs, and deep and punchy bass without distortion. But what blew me away is that these are actually high-res audio certified, supporting LDAC, aptX lossless, and Snapdragon sound. So yeah, you're getting 96 kHz 24-bit audio wirelessly, all for just under $80. SoundPeats also loaded this with AI Adaptive Hybrid ANC, and it reduces background noise by up to 55 decibels. That's enough to black out fans, AC noise, and even moderate street noise while I'm working. And when I need to hear someone, I just switch to transparency mode. As for calls, there's a 6-mic ENC system, so even if you're outside or near a noisy rig, your voice still comes through clean on the other side. I've used this for Zoom, Teams, no complaints. What I love most is how these earbuds actually fit my daily routine. I start the day video editing, bounce into a call, listen to music while scripting, and even take a walk, all without changing gear. And everything's customizable. Each stem supports taps and long taps. And you can remap them per side on the SoundPeats app. So I've got volume on one side, ANC on the other. It's fast, super clean, and tailored to how I work. Then add the IPX5 water resistance, so if I go out and it starts drizzling, I do not worry. For $80, that's kind of crazy. Battery life is also solid. About 7 hours on a single charge and 37 hours with a charging case. And if I do forget to charge, a quick 10-minute plug-in gives me 2 hours of playback. The SoundPeats app is minimal but practical. You can change your control gestures, switch between ANC modes, adjust EQ, it's all in there. It doesn't try to do too much, but all the essentials are there. Honestly, these earbuds punch way above their price. They sound great, they're comfortable, the ANC works, and they fit on how I move through my day, especially on multitasking setups. You really don't need to spend more to get premium features anymore. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more setup-focused gear like this, and watch one or more of our videos up here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!